Hey everybody, let's take a look at this piece of gear here. I've had it for around 2 years, I would say now, if not more. It's a Netgear A7000. Well, who is this for and why does it even exist? Well, let's say you're in an area that you have some good Wi-Fi, but you would like that signal to be boosted just a little bit more to catch that, you know, that McDonald's 4 blocks away. I'm just joking. Well, this big guy here will make that possible. Or let's say you're in the other side of your house and you have a big house, you're blessed, but your router is in the other side of the house. So you have only one bar from that Wi-Fi. Well, that's where A7000 comes in again. Here is the stamp of it. You can stop it and take a picture and research it yourself. It comes with this beautiful base. That's some beefy cable it comes with too. It says strong magnet and they are not playing. Look at this one. This is a knife on it, right? And I'm actually shaking it. And to take it, you have to actually apply force. So when you put this big boy right here somewhere, it will stay there. And it goes here on the base. As you see, it stands like a nice antenna. It had the WPS here. You can fold it and you can take it, put it in your bag, or you can connect it directly on the side of your laptop. You have a laptop and you just plug it in on the side without the base if you want to. And to install it, it's very simple. Link will be in the description. Let's go to our computer. It's this one here, Netgear A7000 Nighthawk AC 1900 Wi-Fi USB adapter, USB 3.0 dual band. You click download on this piece here, and you get it for Windows or Mac. I'm gonna get it for Windows because that's what I have right here. Click download and wait a million years for the download to finish. After download is finished, we minimize this window, click OK, bring this up here. We have the files that we just downloaded with it. I'm gonna unzip them on my monitor here. For Windows standalone, you can do it by itself. I'm gonna do the integrated one because I just find it easier to do so. And install it, click yes, next, yes, all that good stuff. Always before we plug in the Netgear A7000, let it install Netgear Genie. And now at this point, it will ask you to insert USB to your computer. And let's go plug it in right here. Okay. And right now it's plugged in. And just give it a second. Now we go click next. And it's detecting adapter, it says now. Well, just give it that sweet moment. And right now, it has detected our wireless device, and it's finding a lot of wireless device networks here, and as you see, it's full of bars, this one here. And if I compare it to my other one, let's say here, you can switch it to this Wi-Fi 2, or the regular Wi-Fi in your computer, which is just Wi-Fi. And as you see, if I go to my computer with a regular Wi-Fi, that's all I can find. That's all the Wi-Fi networks I can find. But if we come to A7000, here are the list of the Wi-Fi networks that it finds somehow. Way more Wi-Fi networks than my computer built-in Wi-Fi can find, which is with 2 quite beefy antennas coming on the back of the computer. It's not just something small. But this device here, this one rocks. We're talking about really rocks. And I guess that ends this video. And if you liked what you saw right here, please hit that subscribe button, hit like, let somebody know that somebody very ugly is making videos, and maybe they make the mistake and hit subscribe. But shh, don't tell them. Bye!